I believe I am live now. I'm sorry I'm late. We had a little technical difficulty, a little blood involved, but everything's okay now. We do not have a microphone hooked up, so I'm going to speak up, and I'm going to make it much shorter than I would normally. So right now, I'm just going to show you a couple of different things, and I will start. Both are samples that were made by some people who don't usually make samples for us. So let's start with Sarah's sample. Sarah made a fluffy, soft little minky pillow, and it is made with landscape scenes. So this is, do we know where these landscape scenes are? I probably do if I figured it out. So this pillow has two landscape scenes, one on each side. Is this our 16-inch pillow, Sarah? Yep, we have plenty of 16-inch pillows in stock. Here is the panel, though. The panel includes 4 landscape scenes. Can you all see that? Can you see that?
Can you hear it?
No, there's no microphone. So again, these are really soft minky. It's our short pile minky that we have here in stock. We've got a couple of wide backs that are also the short pile minky. And I'm told the other day, we did a Facebook Live when I wasn't available with a whole bunch of new wide backs. So we've moved our wide back area to the far back where our clearance is. And we've combined our clearance and added a whole bunch of new bolts on the clearance area. It's nice and full if you'd like to come in and check it out. And also come in and see some of the new wide backs, including some new Quilts of Valor or patriotic style wide backs. So speaking of patriotic Quilts of Valor, you all know that we are a Quilts of Valor store. We offer a discount if you are buying supplies for your Quilts of Valor quilt and donating it to the organization to be gifted to a soldier. So the other day, Quilts of Valor posted their 2023 block of the year, and this is it. Now I threw together, actually I'm going to give credit to Sarah, she threw together a quick Facebook post including this block, a picture of this block, and a note about the pre-cuts. So we have pre-cuts in stock, lots of them, that easily make this block, because this block calls for 5-inch squares. No cutting necessary. These blocks go together very quickly with these pre-cuts, and Ruth made up a sample here. So we have the pattern for how to make the block here at the store if you need the handout, if you didn't print it out off of the QOV website. We have the pre-cuts, and we've got a star block to show you and talk to you about if you have any questions. The other sample I have is a sample made by Jennifer, and this is also made with those pre-cuts. Now this is a little smaller sample, but you could add on to it either by using another charm pack. This was one charm pack. This is 2 charm packs, and this is just a short, small little throw that's patriotic. This would be a great table piece for a square or round table, or you could, use a couple more charm packs and some borders and make a Quilts of Valor quilt. One of the reasons why I asked her to make this is because we are having a Bootcamp Basics class this Saturday, and one of Jennifer's favorite patterns for beginners is this. It's simple. You buy the pre-cuts, you sew the squares together. She even did a little trip around the world design. I'm going to hold it up. Isn't it beautiful with the blue and then the red? If you are a beginner, pre-cuts are a great way to start. And anyone at the store here can help you figure out a beginner pattern. We've got hundreds of those Villa Rosa patterns. Some of those are very good beginner patterns. And if you are interested in our Bootcamp Basics class, you can join us. This Saturday is our first class of the year. It is full. And I am going to teach it in Carlotta's absence. Wish me luck. And we have another one in March that we are already getting signups for. So if you have not signed up for the January class and you are interested, it's a 4-hour class. This Saturday we're going to make this quilt, start this quilt here because it's only 2 blocks, but I already have the one picked out for the March class. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for joining us. Remember, come pick up your pre-cuts to make your star block, and we hope to see you soon.